Hello guys, welcome to Next Gen Coders. This is the fifth session of full Python course in our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain about fundamental data types. Fundamental data types are the basic building blocks of all the data types in Python. And actually, I have prepared a flowchart for it. This is the flowchart, and these are the six types of data types in Python. And each data type also have sub data types. In today's video, I'm going to tell about fundamental data types, and there exist four types of data types in it, which are int refers to integer, float, boolean, and also complex. Fundamental data types are the data types which only exists single value in it, and these are used for memory management, operations, and also safety. As I told earlier, fundamental data types contain four types of subdata types in it, and these are int, float, boolean, and complex. So let's start with integer. As you all learn in your lower classes, integers are nothing but whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 0, 7, or any other whole number. Let me open ideally. Just take a variable a and a literal 2, and 2 is a whole number, as you know, and 2 is also an integer. Let's check the type of a. Class int. Int refers to the data type of the value which is present in variable a. As 2 is a literal which exists in variable 2, as a is an integer, the type of a is integer. And let me take another example. B equals to 1, 1, 1. Actually, it's an integer. Triple one is an integer. So therefore, the type of b will be class int because it is an integer. And the next data type, float. Float are the numbers with decimal numbers. Actually, the decimal numbers are known as float. Just take an example. C equals to 1.5, and the type of C. You'll get float as the data type for the letter present in the variable C. As 1.5 is a decimal number, so it can be called as float in Python. So therefore, the data type of C is float. And the next data type, Boolean data types. The As you know, binary numbers 0, 1. In Python, these binary numbers are categorized as true or false. 1 refers to true and 0 refers to false. And the numbers, uh, the words true or false are referred as Boolean data types. Actually, let's take a variable. Many of them think that 2 is a string, but it will be a string when it is under double quotes or single quotes. But actually, true and false are Boolean data types. Just take an example. D equals to true. We shouldn't keep any double quotes or single quotes for true when we are using it as a Boolean data type. So just take type D. You'll get Boolean E equals to false, right? D. Boolean data type. So as true and false are Boolean data types, we get the type of E and D as Boolean. So just take another example. True under double quotes. Type of F. You'll get string because the true is existing under the double quotes. So I think the concept is clear until now. And the next data type is complex numbers. Complex data types. As you had learned about complex and imaginary numbers in your class 11th and 12th, I know many of you know about imaginary numbers. So these actually exist as 3 plus 4j and 2 minus 5j. Actually, j is equals to root over minus 1, where j is an imaginary number. J square equals to minus 1. So just I will show you an example. G equals to 3 minus 5j, and type of G. You'll get complex because j is a complex number. Complex number here. J which where j is equals to root over minus 1. I hope the concept is clear up to now. And each fundamental data type have its own significance. Int is used for counting and indexing. Indexing is actually used in lists, dictionaries, and NumPy pandas module. So each data type have its own significance. Int is used for counting and indexing. Float is used for measurements and precision, because it is used for accuracy. And boolean is used for conditions like while true, while false, etc. And complex numbers are actually used in engineering purpose in Python. And this is the end of today's lecture. I hope uh, everyone had understood about fundamental data type of this session. And in the next session, I'm going to explain about sequential data types, which are string, bytes, byte arrays, and also range function. Sequential data types are the data structures that store a collection of elements in linear order. So stay tuned and subscribe to Next Gen Coders. And in next lecture, I'm going to explain about fundamental sequential data types in a wide range. Bye and subscribe to Next Gen Coders.